Hey! Oh, I just got kissed.
In a quiet corner of the world, a little bird was lost and scared, shaking as he looked around, unsure of what was happening. His life took a sudden turn when his owner passed away. With nowhere to go, he needed a new home. A call came from the vet, sharing the sad news. The bird's late owner could no longer care for him. It was a tough situation, but saying no wasn't an option. Bringing him home felt like a leap into the unknown.
What are you doing?
At first, the bird was not friendly. He hated being in a new place, and trust was nowhere to be found. But patience was key. Giving him time was essential, even when it felt challenging. Once he was home, everything changed. This bird, loved for over 20 years, needed adjustments. A new diet was introduced, and slowly, signs of hope appeared. New feathers began to grow, a symbol of fresh beginnings. Bonding took time, but progress was made. Within a month, the birds started to feel more at ease, sitting close for longer periods. Moments that once felt impossible turned into shared time on the couch, watching TV together. As weeks passed, the bond grew stronger. Now, after 3 months, the bird felt like a part of the family. Cozy moments spent together became the norm, filled with warmth and trust. The journey of this little bird turned into a beautiful story of love and companionship. The husband, the bird, and the new owner realized they were all in together. They would share their lives, creating memories that would last a lifetime. This is a story of hope and happiness, where a scared bird found a loving home. Together, they discovered that family isn't just about blood, it's about love, trust, and being there for each other. A true happily ever after just waiting to be lived.